Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mr. Corby. For today's video, I will show to you how to create actual wiring connections of 3 bulbs which are connected in series and controlled by 2 3-way switch in 2 different locations. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let's have our devices, the 3 bulbs, the junction box, the 3 junction box where the connections of wires are being done. Next, the 3-way switch, the 2 3-way switch, the circuit breaker. As you can see here, this is the back portion of a 3-way switch. 0 for the common terminal, 1 and 3 for the traveler terminals, and the small symbol of a 3-way switch. Same with the second 3-way switch at the right side. Okay, 0 for the common terminals, 1 and 3 for the traveler terminals, and the small symbol of 3-way switch. Okay, let's proceed to the actual wiring connections. So from CB, line 1 source connected to the line 1 load of bulb number 1. Next, line 2 load of bulb number 1 is connected to line 1 load of bulb number 2. And line 2 load of bulb number 2 is connected to line 1 load of bulb number 3. And line 2 load of bulb number 3 is connected to common terminal of 3-way switch at the right side. Next, the traveler terminals, number 1 going to number 1, and 3 going to number 3. That is the traveler terminals of the 3-way switch. Next, the 0, the common terminal of 3-way switch at the left side. Okay, is connected to line 2 source. And for the last part, the wires coming out from the junction box, let's put a line here to represent that the 2 wires are connected and with an electrical or covered with an electrical tape. And that's it. This is the actual wiring connections of 3 bulbs which are connected in series and controlled by 2 3-way switch in 2 different locations.